If you just picked up a new GMC Sierra, protecting the cabin carpet is probably high on your list. Today, we're doing a quick head-to-head review of the Husky Liner weather beaters versus the factory GMC interlocking premium all-weather liners. They cost right around the same price, but the protection they offer is actually pretty different. Let's start with the Husky Liners. Right out of the box, the build quality is excellent and the fit is absolutely perfect. Two details I really love. First, they completely cover up those factory retaining bumps on the driver's side floor, keeping dirt from slipping through. Second, the bottom is loaded with these aggressive stay-put nubs that bite into the factory carpet so they never slide around. Plus, they partially cover the door sill, giving you awesome protection right where you step into the truck. But it's not all perfect. My biggest gripe with the Husky Liner is right here by the gas pedal. It just doesn't extend high enough, leaving a patch of factory carpet exposed to whatever is dripping off of or stuck to your right foot. Now look at the factory GMC premium liners. Material-wise, they're incredibly well made and heavy duty. Where they win big is the side coverage. They completely shield all that carpet right next to the gas pedal. However, they don't cover those driver's side retaining bumps and they don't extend over the door sills like the Husky Liners do. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either of these. They're both premium quality mats for a similar price. It really just comes down to personal choice. Do you want better door sill coverage and a liner that could retain fluid with the Huskies, or total carpet protection next to the pedals with the GMC? Drop a comment below and let me know which coverage matters more. And as usual, a link is in the description for the Husky Liners.